My name's Les Gross with Gross Construction, Inc.
And I'm Natalie Ames with Next Home Grand and BOPA LLC, the developer. And we want to welcome you to Palisade Legends and the Parade of Homes.
It's laid out like a normal home would be laid out. Just the rooms are a little more compact. I think they're going to be surprised with the amount of windows, how open, floor plan for a small home, high ceilings. Just looks like an upper end home in a very small package.
I think they're going to be impressed with the light, the window placement. You don't feel like you're in a small home, especially with the high ceilings as well. I think also they're going to be really impressed with the finishes.
The materials, the finishes, the craftsmanship,
Technology.
technology, yeah. I mean, all the lighting, it's basically a Wi-Fi home. Everything's connected. You can monitor the home from wherever you're at.
And the activity center is fabulous. One of my favorite features. It has a swimming pool, a pickleball court on the outside, and then walking trails around. There's going to be a gazebo by the little pond. And then also inside you have a library, a gym, a meeting room, a conference room.
The feedback's
God, I
been
gotta
wonderful.
get the still photos
Everybody
here and
loves
then
it.
we're done.
They're surprised by how much the amenities and how much is in the homes and the look of the homes. They love the look of them. And then just how comfortable they are. Probably just because of the small spaces, having to do custom cabinets, doing our standard size pre-built type materials don't fit. We really have to use and make and create things to fit these spaces in order to use all of the space.
And I'm excited to see people's reactions because it is such a new concept.